That is the tune to the Andy Griffin Show. This is Grayson. Frankie. There's Slick. There's Baby. Annie. Annie. Well, that's Annie. Then we have Gracie. And Manny. We built this yesterday. We put the black iron used to be a cage. We took the front and the back and made it the back. The top and the bottom became the top. The two sides. So anyway, we made this huge indoor aviary cage for them. Plexiglass front that snaps right into place. Whistle it, boy. You gonna whistle, Danny? You know this song. Come here for a minute, you. Come here. And then we got Scout. He's a Cape Parrot. Right, buddy? Peekaboo. Don't eat any of the tails. Anyway, they're loving their big old cage.